The 2026 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing continues to uphold its legacy as one of the most powerful and exhilarating performance sedans on the market. This car is not just about speed or luxury alone, it's the complete package for driving enthusiasts who crave raw power, sharp handling, and a commanding presence. For 2026, Cadillac has fine-tuned its formula while retaining the aggressive charm that fans have come to love. The Blackwing badge represents the pinnacle of Cadillac's engineering, and the CT5-V Blackwing is no exception. Under the hood, the 2026 CT5-V Blackwing boasts a monstrous 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine. This powerhouse delivers an impressive 668 horsepower and 659 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most potent sedans in its class. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a 10-speed automatic for those who prefer seamless shifts and optimized performance. Regardless of the transmission choice, the Blackwing rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.4 seconds. It's not just about straight-line speed either. The car's magnetic ride control and electronically limited slip differential ensure maximum control and grip, whether you're cruising on the highway or carving up a winding mountain road. Cadillac has made sure that the 2026 model year brings subtle refinements to both performance and aesthetics. The suspension setup has been further tweaked for better balance between everyday comfort and track day stiffness. The steering is razor-sharp, offering precise feedback that connects the driver to the road in a way few sedans can. Brembo brakes come standard and provide the stopping power needed to match the car's breathtaking acceleration. Visually, the CT5-V Blackwing remains menacing and purposeful. It carries over the bold and muscular design language with a wide stance, aggressive front fascia, large mesh grille, and functional air intakes. Subtle changes for 2026 include revised LED lighting signatures, lightweight alloy wheels, and aerodynamic enhancements like a redesigned rear diffuser and optional carbon fiber spoiler package. Everything about the car screams performance while maintaining the elegance expected of a luxury sedan. Inside, the 2026 CT5-V Blackwing offers a cabin that blends performance-oriented features with upscale materials and craftsmanship. You're greeted with high-bolstered performance seats that offer excellent support during spirited driving but remain comfortable on long journeys. Premium leather, carbon fiber trim, and suede inserts give the interior a sporty yet luxurious vibe. The driver-focused cockpit is designed to keep all controls within easy reach, with a digital instrument cluster and head-up display that provide all essential performance data in real time. Infotainment and technology in the Blackwing are as modern as you'd expect. The large central touchscreen is powered by Cadillac's latest user interface and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is intuitive and responsive, with crisp graphics and customizable layouts. A high-end AKG sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, and additional tech features like wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and over-the-air updates enhance the user experience. Despite its hardcore performance edge, this car doesn't compromise on daily usability. Safety features are also well covered in the 2026 model. Cadillac includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Optional packages add semi-autonomous driving capabilities for highway cruising, enhancing both convenience and peace of mind. The 2026 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing isn't just a fast car, it's a deeply engaging driver's machine that offers the rare blend of muscle car soul and luxury sedan refinement. It competes in a niche segment with few true rivals, delivering the kind of visceral thrill that only a rear-wheel drive, V8-powered sedan can. Whether you're buying it for its raw performance, its sharp looks, or its surprisingly comfortable and tech-savvy interior, the CT5-V Blackwing leaves a lasting impression. It's also worth mentioning the value proposition. While many European competitors may charge significantly more for similar levels of performance, the Cadillac offers a compelling package at a relatively accessible price point. That makes it not only a performance beast but also a smart buy for enthusiasts who know what they want. If you're a fan of powerful sedans, aggressive styling, and American engineering at its finest, the 2026 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing should definitely be on your radar. It is a car that makes no excuses and delivers excitement every time you get behind the wheel. For more in-depth reviews, specs, and updates on performance cars like this, don't forget to subscribe to Motor Mania Reviews. We'll keep you updated with the latest insights, comparisons, and features to fuel your automotive passion.